Malibu, California, and the Hot Wheels logo on the back there. The guy and his surfboard have been thrown out of the wave. We do have a surfboard all the way up here. Check out the engine. 5 spokes and a giant exhaust pipe right here. We do have a spare tire in the back. I think the tampo work on this side looks exactly like the other side. No extra color for the lights in the front. We do have a chrome bumper. Surf and Turf, copyright 2016. Big fat tires in the back. The tampo is really nice. I like that a lot. Any surfing fans out there? Let me know if you're a surfing fan, and let me know if you like this beautiful Hot Wheels. Vroom, there he goes. The Hot Wheels Surf and Turf from the Surf's Up series. Let's crack them open.